for giving me the time to interview tonight.
Thank you.
So, let's start with the story of My Love Will Make You Disappear. Ano yung reactions niyo when you first read it or when it was first pitched to you?
When it was first pitched to me, upon finishing the script, I don't know, it just made me smile afterwards. It's para siyang good vibes yung movie, and but then again, parang may puso.
Ako naman, when I first read the script, para siyang kinakausap niya ako as a 30s woman. As a girl na may maraming sentiments on her 30s. So parang it tackles about love, being afraid to fall in love, just like me. So parang yung role na to is really close to my heart. So parang gusto ko din maging voice ng mga babaeng natatakot magmahal ulit.
And how comfortable was it to, how easy was it to get comfortable in your characters?
Ako kasi pag nag-aaral ako ng isang character, parang nire-relate ko siya kahit konti sa personal life ko. Para hindi siya ganun ka-iba. Para it's easy for me to gel Sari, my character here, and Kim. Para kahit paano relatable siya at the same time.
Ako naman, it's the other way. It was a process. I had to discuss a lot of things with the creatives, also with our directors, and of course study the script as rigorously as possible. Pero ayun naman, parang that's all to ensure na once we start, everything's more flowing.
Was your chemistry here different than your previous projects? Did it feel na parang evolve pa siya?
Chemistry, actually hindi naman namin pinag-uusapan nun. Parang ginagawa na lang namin talaga yung scene, and si Direk na bahalang gumawa ng magic sa amin on screen. So, ginagawa lang namin yung needed.
Yeah, we try to make things work as much as we can, but I think the magic of parang chemistry of actors on screen, parang I think it's meant for the audience to parang sila dapat yung nagsasabi. Kasi parang hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko i-explain if it doesn't come from them.
Right. And of course, this is like your first big screen debut. Anong feeling nun?
Kinakabahan na, syempre, from today, 2 weeks na lang, ipapalabas na to sa big screen. Not just here in the Philippines, but worldwide. So, we're very excited, very nervous, and very happy as well. Kasi maganda talaga yung movie.
Do you know where outside of the Philippines siya ipapalabas?
Well, currently we have
34.
Last I found out, 34, but I think nanganganak pa siya, so nadadagdagan pa.
I
So,
love it. Congratulations in
Thank
advance.
you.
I'm so excited to watch it. But how is it like working with the rest of the cast then? So I see that it's kasama si Miss Wilma doesn't. Nakikita ko si Miss Rufa making to may appearance din here.
it was fun to work with them. Definitely learned a lot, and the rapport that we built on set is actually is very true to if your viewers have seen the trailer. Tahanan Homes, it's like a community. It represents for me, I think it represents like us Filipinos and how we are with our families, with our community, with our environment, mga kapitbahay natin, kabarangay natin. So parang ganun talaga yung naging rapport namin sa set.
Kami naman, mapapanood mo dito yung sense of community, na sense of family. Tatak Star Cinema talaga yung movie na to, na meron kang friends, meron kang families, yung kahit hindi mo ka mag-anak, kadugo, pero pamilya sila. And isa sa mga exciting part dito is yung narrator namin ay isang guinea pig, na si Cookie yung pangalan, na ang boses ay si Melay Cativero. So, it's a fun movie, and I hope everyone gets to watch this inside the theater para magkaroon ng communal experience, yung tinatawag, yung sabay-sabay tatawa, sabay-sabay may experience kung ano yung mapapanood nila sa big screen.
Right. Iba yung feeling, no, when you're watching a film, tapos yung mga
Yes.
kasama mo, narinig mo na tumatawa.
Yes, so matatawa ka na lang din. So feel good siya for 2 hours. Kaysa mag-isa ka manood sa ano, kung saan ka man. Ito, kahit di mo kakilala, kasabay mo silang tatawa at kikiligin.
I love it. Is there any like fun and memorable like moment or scene from the movie na walang, no spoilers, na share niyo?
Ako siguro, isa sa mga funny moments ko is yung nag-blow ako ng cake. Nagulat yung guinea pig, nawala siya. Kasi nag-stop talaga kami kasi nawawala siya. Yung pag-blow ko talaga, as in super blow kasi talaga ako. Kasi ako lang yung parang nagse-celebrate ng birthday. Wala akong bisita, ganyan. Kaya so nag-blow ko, nawala si Cookie. Yung guinea pig, tumakbo siya, natakot siya sa blow ng candle. So yun lang, natawa ko.
Ako, what's memorable for me, well, aside from the guinea pig, siguro yung mga tingin sa akin ni Sari,
Hello?
which is played by Kim. Yung mga tingin sa akin, parang ano na, it's different. No, for me it was the rain scenes, because for people who haven't worked in cinema and yung mga hindi masyadong nagpapabasa sa ulan, mahirap magtrabaho and there's rain and you have to bring out emotions and you have to do it all over and over, and we usually just shiver afterwards.
Okay. It's parang very exciting na yung film. I'm sure a lot of people, especially your fans, are looking forward to watching it. Ano masabi niyo pala sa love and support that your individual fans and fans of your love team have been throwing your way?
We're very grateful. Sobrang swerte namin na ganyan sila magmahal sa amin. Kasi parang hindi naman din siya biro in this day and age. Yung time, support, and then financially, di ba parang ang daming aspects na pwede nilang ibigay na lang sa sarili nila, pero binibigay nila sa amin. So, may sobra pa silang pagmamahal na pwedeng ibigay sa iba, and yun yung kami ni Pao. So, we're very grateful. And with this movie, regalo talaga namin to para sa kanila. I'm sure magiging masaya sila after they watch this film.
Ako, similar with Kim, we're very grateful, and the effort the effort they put in to promote the movies, I think above and beyond what any celebrity or actors anywhere in the world could expect, because they really go out of their way to promote the movie. They have posters on their gates, pinapasabit nila sa mga tricycle, pinapapapinturo sila ng bus, and so many other things.
Mga
So
fan.
it's-
Ibigay sila ng mga fan.
So it's really
Group effort siya.
the effort they give is really well, for me, it's the first time I've experienced it, and I'm very grateful and couldn't believe that people would support us the way they are, the way they do.
I love it. Last question na lang about the movie. If you were best friends with your characters, having known what they went through sa story, anong message niyo sa kanila? Anong mapapayo niyo sa kanila?
Best friend kami ni Sari. Naku, sabihin ko kay Sari, pagdaanan mo lang yan, girl. So parang takot kasi siya magmahal. So advice ko sa kanya, huwag siya laging matakot. Tsaka sasamahan ko na lang siya lagi pag nag-birthday siya. Kasi wala siya kasama eh.
Pinalabas ba yun sa trailer? Pinalabas ba yun?
Konti lang
Ang
naman.
dami nang nilabas sa trailer, dalawa ng trailer natin.
Yun lang,
Kinukwento mo pa yung mga
birthday.
hindi pinalabas. Ako yung advice ko kay Cholo is wait lang. Good things are coming your way.
Wow.
Wait ka lang.
So, yun ang best friend na ng Sari.
Sila na lang. I love it. So, mag-short mini game lang tayo ng Would You Rather. So, would you rather mag-disappear ang favorite food mo or yung favorite song mo?
Favorite song?
Mm.
Favorite song?
Ay, you like your favorite food too much.
Yes.
And it's
Parang
one of
mas
the best things
food.
that life can offer. It's food.
Oo, tama. Okay, would you rather mag-disappear ang eyesight mo or lahat ng memories mo?
Mahirap.
Grabe. Ayoko pa naman mabulag.
Kasi hindi mo na makikita.
Yeah. Memory na lang.
May
Yeah.
amnesia girl.
Memory na lang kaysa eyesight. Kasi gusto ko pa rin makita yung mundo than my memories.
Ako siguro, for me, I think it would be my eyesight. Kasi parang nakita ko naman na lahat ng gusto kong makita sa mundo. So,
Hello, ako na lang ang magiging mata mo. Ikaw na lang ang magiging memory ko.
I love it. So, would you rather mag-disappear lahat ng sapatos mo or lahat ng bags mo?
Shoes. I love bags. Hindi pa rin mawala yung mga bags ko. House of Little Bunny.
I don't mind mawala pareho.
Wala siya pakialam. Basta may memory siya.
Would you rather mag-disappear ang wifi sa bahay or kuryente sa bahay?
Mag-disappear yung kuryente na lang.
For me, Wi-Fi. Kasi worst comes to worst, you can go data.
Ay, oo.
Masyadong
pala.
mainit dito.
Masyadong mainit dito.
Charot. Would you rather mag-disappear ang kilay mo or buhok mo sa ulo?
Kilay na lang, kasi pwede,
Patato.
maliit lang yung kay
Pwede
kilayan.
patato.
Tsaka pwede pa mag-microblading, kaysa buhok ang hirap.
Yeah, ako rin. Kilay na.
Kilay din. Okay, would you rather mag-disappear ang birthday mo or yung favorite holiday mo?
Favorite ko kasi yung birthday ko eh. Paano ba yan? Birthday ko, favorite holiday. Holiday. Yung holiday na lang. Kasi favorite ko birthday ko. Gusto ko talaga yung araw na pinanganak ako.
Ako, I don't mind losing both.
Okay?
Grabe ka naman. Dapat yung birthday mo, yung
Kasi
matira.
parang araw-araw ko rin naman birthday.
Bakit?
Kasi,
Oh. I love it. Would you rather mag-disappear ang kakayahan mong umibig or ang kakayahan mong magsalita?
Mag-disappear na lang yung kakayahan ko magsalita. Para nakaka-give pa rin naman ako ng love through actions and mata-mata.
ako rin. I'd rather disappear yung kakayahan ko magsalita. Kasi parang walang, I don't think, parang there wouldn't be no warmth and no kindness without love.
Yes, kailangan talaga natin ng love. Love is all that matters. Faithful and forever, keeping us together. Love is all we need.
Pinatapos. I love.